Welcome back to ZK Automotor. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda Civic. Is it still the king of compact sedans or has the competition finally caught up? Let's find out. Car details. The 2026 Honda Civic continues its legacy as one of the most reliable and value-packed sedans in the market. It comes in multiple trims including LX, Sport X and Touring. Under the hood you get either a 2.0L naturally aspirated engine or a 1.5L turbocharged option. It's paired with a CVT transmission and delivers impressive fuel efficiency. Honda claims up to 42 mpg on highways depending on the trim. Plus it's packed with Honda's sensing safety features as standard across all variants. Exterior part. On the outside the 2026 Civic looks sharper and more refined than ever. With a sleeker profile, redesigned LED headlights and a bold new front grille. The body lines are smooth yet sporty, giving it a mature and athletic stance. The Touring trim adds 18-inch alloy wheels, chrome accents and a sportier rear diffuser. It's not just a compact sedan anymore, it looks premium from every angle. Interior part. Step inside and you'll notice a clean minimalist layout with high-quality materials. Honda's done an amazing job with the new dashboard design featuring a full digital gauge cluster and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system in higher trims. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with a wireless charging pad. There's plenty of soft touch surfaces, a honeycomb metal mesh for the vents and even ambient lighting in the Touring trim. The seats are well contoured and offer great support even on long drives. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the 2026 Civic punches above its weight. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for a compact sedan with good legroom and headroom in both front and rear seats. The suspension is tuned for a smooth and quiet ride, soaking up bumps effortlessly. Road noise is minimal and the climate control system works flawlessly. It's a car you can easily daily drive or take on long road trips without fatigue. Performance. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2.0L engine is solid for daily commuting, but the 1.5L turbo adds a real punch. It delivers around 180 horsepower and feels zippy both in city and highway driving. Steering is sharp, braking is responsive and the chassis offers great stability at higher speeds. Whether you're a student, a commuter or just someone who loves driving, the Civic feels confident and composed at all times. Conclusion. So is the 2026 Honda Civic worth your money? Absolutely. It blends practicality, style, tech and performance in one tight package. Whether you're buying your first car or upgrading from an older model, the Civic remains a top contender in its class. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real car reviews. This is ZK Automotor signing off. See you in the next one.